Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can lock Play Store on your Android device. So let's start the video. First, you need to go to the Play Store on your device, search for this application, download and install it, then tap on Open the application. Here, you need to tap on this option to select the 4-digit PIN. Once you selected that, tap on OK and then select the PIN. Once you select the PIN, tap on Create and then confirm the PIN, and then tap on Save right at the bottom. So once it is saved, you need to give this application a few permission. Tap on Permit. It will bring you here and you need to allow this one. Then tap on Permit. It will bring you to the settings. Allow this one as well. Then tap on Permit again and tap on Allow the application. So guys, from here, select the locked application and you can just simply remove all these applications, the one that you don't want to be locked. So guys, as you can see, I only leave a Play Store here and that is locked. Then I will go back to the Play Store to open it. Once you try to open it, it will ask you to enter the PIN. And you need to enter the PIN and it will unlock it. So guys, this is how you can lock Play Store on your Android device. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.